front of me is Naven Phone 3, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Now select System, Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and finally Gboard. Last but not least, select Text Correction and scroll down a tiny bit to use this switcher next to autocorrection. Thanks to it, you can turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!